Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the viral Halloween Pillsbury cookies. So that's pretty much it for the video. I always like making these. I get them for every holiday. It's just like a cute little thing. I also highly recommend if you have to do something like my friends are having a Halloween party and I had a lot of work that weekend. This is like the perfect thing to bring for a like little snack if you're doing like a little dessert thing. I just brought desserts because that's usually what I do, but it's so much easier and you could probably fit two in the oven next to each other. I don't know. Play it by ear, I guess. But so they're always like a perfect little last minute treat if you need to bring them somewhere, but you always have to get them early. I bought these ones in like end of August, I think. And I'm pretty sure my Walmart is almost out of them. So I don't know what other stores sell them, but you got to get them early. These ones by this video, by the time it's going out, it would have been expired, I'm pretty sure. Let me know if you like that I mixed in the baking content with Halloween. I know I did it for the 12 days of Christmas and it seemed to do okay. I have fun doing them. I like trying out different recipes, even if we're just like trying random ones out on the internet. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more content from me. I do makeup and gaming mostly, but I like to sprinkle in the baking a little bit. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.